Hello, in this presentation I will be analysing the competitive environment of Amazon using Porter's 5 forces. Amazon operates as a global leader in e-commerce, cloud computing and digital services within a highly dynamic and competitive industry. The aim of this analysis is to evaluate the key external forces influencing Amazon's performance and to critically assess the relevance of Porter's model in modern business context. Porter's 5 forces. Firstly, competitive rivalry is high. Amazon faces strong competition from companies such as Walmart, eBay, and Alibaba. These competitors continuously compete on price, delivery speed, and innovation. Additionally, low switching costs for customers intensify rivalry as consumers can easily move between platforms. Secondly, the threat of new entrants is low to medium. Amazon benefits from significant barriers to entry, including its advanced logistics network, strong brand recognition, and economies of scale. However, digital technologies have slightly reduced entry barriers, allowing smaller online businesses to emerge. Thirdly, the bargaining power of buyers is high. Customers have access to a wide range of alternatives and can easily compare prices online. This increases their expectations for low prices, fast delivery, and high quality service, placing pressure on Amazon to continuously improve its offering. Fourthly, the bargaining power of suppliers is medium. While many small suppliers rely heavily on Amazon's platform, larger brands such as Apple and Nike have greater negotiating power. This creates an imbalance within the supply chain, particularly in platform-based business models. And finally, the threat of substitutes is medium. Consumers can choose alternatives such as physical retail stores, other e-commerce platforms, or direct-to-consumer brands. Changes in consumer behaviour continue to increase the availability of substitutes. So, to critically evaluate, Porter's 5 forces provides a useful and structured framework for analysing industry competition and identifying key external pressures affecting profitability. It is widely used in strategic management and remains highly relevant for understanding traditional market dynamics. However, the model has several limitations, particularly in the context of digital and rapidly evolving industries. It assumes relatively stable market conditions, which reduces its effectiveness in environments characterized by continuous innovation and technological disruption. In the case of Amazon, competitive advantage is not only influenced by external forces but also by internal capabilities such as data utilization, digital infrastructure, and platform ecosystems. These factors are better explained by alternative theories such as the resource-based view and dynamic capabilities theory. Therefore, while Porter's model remains valuable, it should be used alongside other frameworks to provide a more comprehensive analysis. So, in conclusion, Amazon operates in a highly competitive environment with strong rivalry and significant buyer power. While barriers to entry remain high, ongoing technological change continues to reshape the industry as we know it. This analysis shows that Porter's 5 forces is useful for understanding competitive pressures, but it has limitations in explaining modern digital business models. But to remain competitive, Amazon must continue to leverage innovation, scale, and technological capabilities. Thank you for listening.